Hi everyone and welcome back to Tuscany. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are in Mount Argentario, one of the most desired Tuscan seaside locations. This is a unique looking peninsula with a special microclimate and a relaxing atmosphere, and of course some stunning sea views. Today we are here to visit together a beautiful villa, enclosed within its very own oasis of peace with some beautiful panoramic terraces and its very own direct sea access. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. The villa is conveniently located just over 1.5 kilometers to the center of Porto Santo Stefano, which is one of the main towns of Mount Argentario. That proximity makes it very convenient and very simple to go there by foot, but at the same time the property is located on a position which is more reserved and it overlooks the town beautifully. Mount Argentario is about 2 hours to Rome and its airport, and about 2 hours to the airport of Pisa. To access the property by car, there is the main automatic gate access, which leads to this parking area on my left, which can host up to 4 cars. Or there are other 2 walking accesses, which leads to a little beach down below, which is reserved to the owners of the few villas surrounding it. Can be conveniently reached by foot in 2 minutes through some steps. Before we go further into details about this property, I would first love to tell you about its story. Towards the end of 1950s, the grandfather of one of the current owners found this place and was hit by its beauty. He fell in love with it. In the past, here there was an agricultural business, and everything was much more rustic and wild, not as refined as it is now. The grandfather had the vision of turning this property into a large family home, where he could reunite everybody and enjoy the gift of the family. The property is perfect for that purpose. As we go along, you will notice how it is divided into units with their own privacy, their own spaces, but still harmoniously interconnected. This can be found indoors but also outdoors with different terraces and little cozy corners, and overall a large space where everyone can enjoy their privacy while at the same time sharing memorable experiences in what is really a little slice of heaven. The owners are passionate about gardens, and great care has been given to the choice of the different plants for the outdoor spaces. The idea was to create a garden in harmony with this location. They are all trees and plants that can withstand the proximity to the sea and need very little care, to make the use of this property as effortless and convenient as possible, whilst still maintaining a certain poetic beauty. Several Mediterranean and aromatic plants have been picked, like rosemary, thyme and sage, perfect for cooking. Right below the front part of the garden, there is a lower terrace which has this beautiful space ideal to make a gorgeous swimming pool overlooking the sea. It is also conveniently located right beside the sea, so it is also very easy to get the water. By the garden, we also have one of the most precious features of the home. its very own sea access. Let's go and have a look. It has its very own convenient staircase on the rocks, which leads to this flatter area by the water, which is nice and large, perfect to lay down, to enjoy the sun right in front of the sea. You can even dive or keep a little boat with which you can reach the center of Porto Santo Stefano. Before we see the main villa, let's start first with the guest house. It is 100 square meters, so just over 1,000 square feet, with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Let's go inside. It is very nice, cozy and well taken care of. Covered with these beautiful seaside colors and patterns. It has air conditioned. On this floor we find the main living areas with a dining table over here, sitting space. On this side we have a kitchen, and on the left we have the access onto a beautiful reserved terrace overlooking the sea. Downstairs we find 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. From this side, we can better understand the layout and the structure of the villa. It is laid on 3 levels and it has 4 apartments in total. All of the levels are connected by an internal staircase, which is inside the stone part you see on my right. Let's start with the lowest level unit of the property. It can be accessed through that pathway which leads to that parking space on my left. The villa on that side is facing east, so enjoys some gorgeous sunrises in the morning, whilst on the other side the sun is setting on the afternoon and has some beautiful sunsets. We're now inside the apartment. As you can see, everything is beautifully restored and it is updated every year. Every room is also equipped with air conditioned. This unit features this Mediterranean sea style with light, fresh colors and finishes. And the beautiful terracotta floors remind us that we're in Tuscany. Through this door, it has access to a smaller unit apartment with its own independent access. 1 kitchen, living area, bedroom and bathroom. We're back on the large apartment, and in terms of layout, as we walk inside we find a nice, cozy sitting space by the window overlooking the sea. As you open the door, you can feel that gentle breeze, which is really nice. Right beside we have this large dining table. Over here there is a TV area, and in the end, let's go and have a look at the kitchen. The kitchen is nice and spacious, fully equipped and full of natural light. We can see the beautiful checkered floors and the marble tops. Let's now see the outdoor dining area. This is a beautiful area to enjoy during the warmer seasons, and it is protected from the wind, so it is very calm and peaceful. 3 of the bedrooms have direct access onto this area, and it reminds me of an internal courtyard of a palazzo. The apartment keeps going with its bedrooms. They are 5. 3 of them have their own convenient ensuite bathroom, whilst the last 2 share a bathroom. We're back on the main garden of the villa. Before I show you the second large unit, I would first like to mention this beautiful terracotta terrace with this large dining table for al fresco dining. It has a gorgeous view on the garden we've seen earlier and perfect for the summer. Let's now go inside. Accessing the unit from this side, we begin with the kitchen space. It is beautiful with these cream light colors, full of natural light. We have terracotta on the floor. In terms of layout, over there is a pantry, laundry area. On this side we have the kitchen, which is nice and light with this marble top and fully equipped. One of the things I love the most is this nice window which overlooks the outdoor dining area, the garden and the sea. Before we see the living areas, let me show you the bedrooms. They are 4, full of light, beautifully restored with sea views, and all 4 of them have their own ensuite bathroom. These are the living areas of this unit. There is a sitting and TV space on this side, which has access to a beautiful terrace going all the way around, whilst on this other side we have this round table with dining space, which has access onto the terrace we've seen earlier. Through that door we have the staircase to go upstairs, and straight ahead there is another door access. We're now on the top level of the property. Up here, the views are outstanding. There are windows on every side, and when you're in this room, you really feel like being inside a boat. You can notice that not only by the feeling, but also by all of the details. In fact, on that side, the parquet floor is brand new, whilst over here, we have the deck of a J-class yacht, which for the ones of you that are into boats, you know that this is a very special feature to have. Let's now speak about the layout of this unit. It has an entrance space over here with a little kitchen, terrace access on this side, and over here we have a dining area. The next room right beside is this incredible space with these huge windows that, if you slide open, create an unmatched indoor-outdoor living experience. On this side we have a beautiful sitting area full of natural light, and over here we have what probably could be considered the most romantic and special bedroom of all of the house. Of course, it has its ensuite bathroom over here. The terrace is covered with these gorgeous blue tiles that match the sea and the sky. The plants chosen for this terrace can all withstand the wind and the sea salt, and they also need very little water. From this terrace you have 180-degree views, and it is perfect to enjoy some beautiful sunrises in the morning and sunsets in the evening on the tip of Porto Santo Stefano. At night you can stargaze with the beautiful sign of the water on the background. This villa truly has a soul, and when you're here you can feel it. It has been loved, built and organized in such a way, keeping the idea of the family at the very center. I hope you liked it. Please, if you have any comments or thoughts, feel free to share them on the comment section below and subscribe to our channel to view the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao.